The bird was born with wings that never learned the sky. While the others leapt from branch to branch, testing the air with fearless joy, he stayed close to the ground. His wings fluttered, hopeful but uncertain, stirring dust instead of clouds. The forest noticed. Some birds whispered, some looked away. But the bird had a voice. At dawn, when the light slipped softly between the trees, he sang. His song wasn't loud, and it wasn't proud, but it was true. It sounded like morning remembering itself, like rain finding thirsty roots. The forest leaned in to listen. Travelers paused on the path, unsure why their hearts suddenly felt lighter. Flowers opened a little wider. Even the wind slowed, curious. The birds who flew high began to notice something strange. Though they could see mountains and rivers, they had never heard anything like that song. So each evening they returned, folding their wings, gathering near the bird who could not fly. "Don't you wish you could soar?" they asked gently. The bird thought for a moment. "Sometimes," he said. "But when I sing, I feel like the sky comes to me." One night, a terrible storm swept through the forest. Branches snapped, nests fell. The flying birds scattered, lost in the dark. The bird who couldn't fly stayed where he was, his heart pounding, but he sang. His song cut through the rain, steady and bright. The lost birds followed the sound home. When the storm passed, the forest was quiet with awe. No one spoke of wings anymore. They spoke of courage. They spoke of voice. And the bird who never flew became the one who taught the sky how to listen. If you're enjoying our content, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means a lot.